Welcome home. You have an open kitchen area with an island, which is a very high commodity at this point. All stainless steel appliances. This is going to be our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, our roommate style. To the right here, as we enter the hallway for the master bedroom, you have your laundry facility area, full-size washer and dryer. In your master bedroom. This is actually a queen-size bed, and it fits a king in here. The master closet is very large. And the master bathroom is the perfect size. Has a stand-up walk-in shower with a seat as well. The living room also leads out to the balcony area, which is very large indeed. It's great for like a social outing during like the spring and summertime. You can have a patio set out there. It has to be outdoor furniture only. This is Kirsten, our amazing leasing professional. Here is the 2nd bedroom, which is just as large. The only thing is it does not have a full walk-in closet, but it does have a large closet area. And the 2nd bathroom, which is in the hallway of the left wing for the 2nd bathroom or 2nd bedroom.